Hi, today's class we'll continue with the previous class. We were discussing with section 1 through a colored glass, and we have completed the first paragraph in page number 13, and in page number 13 we are going with the second paragraph right now. Here R.K. Lakshman was really happy to draw on the picture because his parents were not angry with him for drawing such picture. They were really happy for him. What all pictures he was drawing? See, what is this? This is a tree which a 3-year-old child is drawing. R.K. Lakshman says here that he started drawing using a burned wooden stick. At the age of 3 now, he was drawing tree, houses and the sunrise from the hills also. How will we draw a sunrise from the hills when a 3-year-old child is drawing it? This will be the sunrise of a 3-year-old child. Now R.K. Lakshman was drawing such pictures and was happy to show it to his parents, and they were also really happy. Now we will go with the third paragraph in page number 13. Here R.K. Lakshman says that he was not a very good student in school. What does it mean? Which means he was not scoring very good in his exams, he was not studying well in the class, and he was not completing his homeworks at time. He was not able to do all these things. And he remembers one situation where he got a pat on his shoulder by his teacher. Which was that situation? On one day, his teacher asked all the students in the class to draw a banana leaf. You know, a slate. During that time, all the children were carrying a slate with them, and now teacher asked them to draw the picture in their slate. Now R.K. Lakshman started drawing it and drew the picture very beautifully, and some other students were drawing the picture very big so that the slate could not afford the size. Their leaf was very big, so only a very small portion of the leaf was there in the slate. And some students were drawing it like a small spot only. The person who is looking will not identify what it is. And some students were drawing something which even cannot be recognized as a leaf. But R.K. Lakshman, when he drew and completed it, it was really beautiful that even the teacher patted on his shoulder and said that it is really wonderful. R.K. Lakshman feels it very happy, and he remembers that he used to see that banana plant leaf every day when he is going to school and coming back from the school. He used to observe things. Now we will go with the last paragraph in page number 13. Here R.K. Lakshman says that people will take things for granted generally. What is that? Whatever we have as a blessing from God, we will not take care of it as far as we are having it. Once when he miss it only, we will start thinking about the value of it. And now R.K. Lakshman says that most of the people never had a habit of observing things which are happening around them. Now here R.K. Lakshman says that he is having a habit of observing things very keenly. And he adds that a person who is turning himself into a painter or an artist should have such a keen habit of observing things and recalling or remembering them later. And R.K. Lakshman is very happy that he is having that habit. That's all about today's lesson. We will be continuing the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.